Berkeley Chef. I'm Jenny here. Today we're gonna make an amazing stir-fry, veggie stir-fry, without using regular rice like brown rice or white rice. So we basically gonna use all vegetables. So you're getting high doses of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber from vegetable. So what I bought some organic frozen vegetables. It's all diced up. They have broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. Okay, so I have like edamame soya bean that is frozen. I thaw it out and rinse it off. And I have a sugar snap pea, and I have ginger and garlic, and I make an amazing sauce here to go over the fried rice. So if those of you who doesn't like to have lots of carbohydrates such as rice in their diet, and this is a great way to start the vegetable rice. Tastes amazing, and this will help promote weight loss, and lots of fiber will help with constipation because of the vegetables. So we're gonna get started right now. So I'm gonna have my stove here. I'm gonna turn it on, and we're gonna stir fry the vegetable. And I'll put a little bit of olive oil, okay, about a tablespoon. So I'm going to put my onion to saute in the fire. So I have already preheated this earlier to get it going. So you would like to have your onion saute like at least a minute until it's kind of like soften up a little bit. Then you put it in your garlic and ginger later. The flavor of the onions is coming out, so you would like to have a little bit softened onion. Then you put in the garlic and the ginger to saute for another minute or so. Oh boy, it smells already really good. Garlic and onion, no, garlic and ginger here. Wow, you can smell the garlic and the ginger. It's really absolutely delicious. So just let it saute for 1 minute to let all the garlic, the ginger, and everything like the fragrance to come out. It smells really good. And this is how called layer of seasoning when you're cooking. Then you can add your sauce a little bit, salt. Now the veggie rice is done, so I can put it in a bowl, okay? So I put a little bit of water and to soften up all the vegetables, and I put some sauce to it, and now it's already done. So now you can sprinkle some sesame seeds, some chili flake, and you can toast the sesame seed and add a little chili flake. And here's your rice, it's already done. And you can even put like chopped almonds or cashews, and this is it. Your food is ready for dinner, and it's absolutely delicious. It's very easy to cook. It's maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and it's already done. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, share the video and put the likes, and see you next time.